Hello, Amanda back here with you today, sharing a really fun ATC box using the Whimsy Stamps products. Here we have the ATC book die, the Terrific Slim Ticket window die, the notched rectangles die, and the ATC frame stamp. Here I'm putting together the box. It really does come together quite quickly. These lines are already pre-scored when you run it through your die cut machine, and I've used black. This is a heavy cardstock, so I'm just using a bone folder to kind of push down those scored lines just so that they bend nicely. Adding a dab of glue on those little corners. And this is the part of the box that holds your ATC inside the book. Just getting those last two little corners glued down, and you just hold it there for just a quick second and they are ready to go. Set that off to the side, and now we're going to create the book. I've already die cut, and I've ran the big part of that die through the paper that I decided to use for my front so that I could have those slots, because that little front part of that sleeve has to go through to hold it shut. So I've ran it through after I've already die cut it with the notched rectangles die. And I've used that amazing paper pack, Grungy Numbers. I am obsessed with this paper pack. I don't know, it just has all the feels for me. I just love it, especially with all those tickets. All right, for these little corners, it comes with that ATC book plate die or book die, and I've used a silver paper so that it has that shine to it. And I've die cut it twice because there's two in this die set, so I only had to run it through my die cutting machine 2 times. We're just going to glue those down to the corners. And you could have it so that it holds something, like if you wanted to put ATC cards in here. I just wanted them for decorative purposes, so I go ahead and glue them all the way down. This ATC book die is going to come in very handy because ATCs are all the rage right now, and I've been making quite a few of them, and I think that this little box die is going to come in quite handy, and it's so cute. All right, we're going to go ahead and score those edges where it folds right there. That die, like I said, for the box, it scores so that way it's easy to just fold them over, burnish them down, and they have that perfect crease. Just gonna slide that in, and there you go. Now for the Terrific Slim's ticket window die, I've used one of the tickets, a die cut it out of brown. We're gonna do some ink smushing with some oxide ink. I've got the ink wet, and I'm just going to dip it in just in certain places and then dry it in between so that I can build up that color. If you look carefully at the paper, I'm trying to mimic what that kind of looks like on some of them. It has that tealy color, so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to mimic what the paper looks like. It's not going to be exact. It's not supposed to be, but that is what I'm trying to achieve. Now we're using that vintage photo oxide ink and doing the same thing. Just trying to go around, inking up some of the edges. Some of it gets in the middle, which is perfectly fine because you want that old vintagey look. Ink smushing is so much fun, and drawing in between helps build up that color. Now time for some splatters. Just dipped my brush into some water and splattered it on. All right, we're going to take that ATC frame stamp and we're going to stamp one of the words that say ATC, and I'm stamping it in VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink. And I do dry it in between because this ink stays wet for some time. In that set, one of a kind, and then there's title, date, and artist. I thought it fit perfectly. Drying it in between, added some foam tape, gonna add that to the front of my box. And that's it, it's done. Now I can put my ATCs in there whenever I want. Well, I hope you guys had fun. Do try it for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Whimsy channel so you get more crafty videos. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye!